Hey, this is Travis with this here Avalanche Center, and here's our state of the snowpack for Friday, February 2nd. After a relatively quiet week, we're back into a storm pattern for the weekend and new snow avalanche problems. Although new snow avalanche problems are familiar to most people in the region, we've had an unusual month for Tahoe with a series of underperforming storms and the shallow snowpack and unusual avalanche problems. For almost the whole month of January, we've been worried about two persistent weak layers buried on December 19th and January 2nd, and our forecasters finally had enough confidence to remove persistent slabs from the forecast last weekend. I'm mentioning our previous persistent slab problem because there's something interesting going on, and although it's not currently a primary concern, our forecasters are still mentioning it in the forecast discussion. I'll click over to the observation page to explain what's happening. Most of the storms this winter have been focused over the Sierra Crest, and the east side of the forecast region has been getting shadowed out. This in itself isn't unusual for us, but with shallow snow, the results are exaggerated. So we have a deeper snowpack on the west side of the region where the persistent weak layers have gained strength, and shallower snow on the east side of the region where the persistent weak layers are still weak but appear to be dormant. With a little more snow in the forecast for today, focused along the Sierra Crest, and some winds in addition to that, the thought is that there's not enough new snow loading along the east side of the forecast region to reactivate those persistent slab problems. So Steve is still forecasting for new snow avalanche problems today. Again, these are going to be primarily focused along the crest where the most snow falls, and we are continuing to monitor those persistent weak layers along the east side of the forecast region.